Justin. Hi, this is Joshua.
Hi, this is Eric from the Pinoy Mamba.
Hi, this is Justin.
That's our nephew. So here we got a
Jordan Fafan.
SMB Pinoy, Jordan Hill fan. Everyone, please subscribe to him. He has awesome cards. One of the best cards actually in YouTube. He collects Jordan, Grant Hill, and also Derrick Rose. So he gave us this to the Pinoy Mamba. Thanks for the trade, Eric, Joshua. Hope you guys like the cards. God bless. SMB Pinoy.
And that's it.
Signature, not numbered. Derrick, not numbered. So we're gonna put this on our YouTube treasure chest. Yes, and of course, we're gonna do this. The prize of the month, the LeBron James, guys. So comment what you guys think. Please subscribe to SMB Pinoy, Jordan Hill. We're gonna put the link below, and please, this one we're gonna decide. It's gonna be decided who wins this. Good luck, everyone. It's gonna be decided on Wednesday.
Oh, this one?
Yes. So here is the big package that he gave. It's actually from Canada, and he actually spent a lot from that package. So thank you so much, Derrick, for that trade that we did, and this is what we got right now.
Ooh,
love it. Alonzo Mourning. Yeah, he got a kidney transplant. That's why we love him. Beam Team, as you could see.
Is that the original Beam Team?
Yeah, look at that die cut from Topps. A beautiful card, Beam Team.
Nice.
Nice. We got
Kobe Bryant.
Stat Tracker.
Nice.
This is a beautiful card. One of my favorite.
Whoa, that's a nice
Penny
one.
Hardaway.
That's a nice one.
We have a Michael Jordan of this, and my first time having
Penny
this.
Hardaway.
Penny Hardaway top 10. It's from Skybox Fleer. These are from the late 90s. One of the best inserts, guys. Holojam.
Whoa.
Look at that. Beautiful. James
Worthy.
Worthy.
Look at that.
Hologram. It's a hologram.
Lakers.
Beautiful, yes. It's from the Lakers. And another, our new PC now is Alonzo Mourning.
Look at that.
That's a beautiful hologram right there.
See, like,
Alonzo Mourning. Yeah. Beautiful by Upper Deck.
oh,
There you go.
That's
From Edge.
Kobe Bryant.
Edge Impulse.
Nice.
Kobe Bryant.
Look at that. It's different what I
die
see
cut.
the inserts right now.
Yeah. Beautiful, simple. Actually, these are the inserts that we, before the collectors, pursue. So this is my first time having this. Beautiful. Thank you, Derrick. Wow. This one is just a beautiful card.
Oh, that's a nice look. It says like the type that he's about to do a layup for.
Yeah. Star Power
It's
Plus.
for Lakers.
It's Lakers Fleer 97, 98. Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant.
Beautiful card. It's like a refractor.
Oh, this is more better.
Here we go. Kobe
Bryant
Bryant for Upper Deck.
jersey.
Yes.
It's for Lakers.
And it's number 240 to 350. Glass, UD glass.
It's for Lakers.
It's Lakers right there.
Nice.
Congratulations. Thank you for that.
That's awesome.
And this is actually our first.
We got more.
Our first one.
We got more.
A Topps Finest.
Penny
Penny Hardaway
jersey.
Game Worn
I
jersey.
believe it's numbered out of 999.
Yes,
Yep.
it's number 999, 859. So, but this is an
Nice.
awesome card. The first Penny
It's
Hardaway.
like almost like purple on the background.
Beautiful.
Like,
It's just a beautiful Topps game use jersey. Hopefully, Prism will do also game use like that on Topps Prism Panini Prism. And here, he also gave us like a lot of Alonzo Mourning.
and they hoops. That's
That's
it's like
awesome.
the action photos.
This is a beautiful card from
Court
Fleer.
side or- Yeah, action photos.
This is a beautiful 3 cards before, from the team.
You already know who's
Topps.
that.
Alonzo Mourning. Beautiful
And
card.
of course that.
Alonzo Mourning with Robert Horry in the background, which is great.
And Alonzo Mourning.
Victory. I love this card. This is a beautiful looking card.
Like, look, this one is
This is the Skybox
Like-
before.
the red background,
Yeah.
like it's heat,
Just
like
simple.
a fire. And Alonzo Mourning.
Alonzo Mourning. You could see the number of Shaq right there at the back when he was in Charlotte.
Oh yeah,
Hornets.
32.
It's a insert.
46. It's just Alonzo
Double
Mourning.
trouble. Alonzo Mourning.
Yeah.
94-95. Fleer.
Nice.
Beautiful card.
I already liked these cars before.
Alonzo Mourning. The Million Moments. Wow. This is a beautiful
Card. Because it's
Card.
like he's shooting the
Yeah,
free throw
look-
and
look at that
floating
transaction.
water. Floating water. Like floating
It's a lot
water.
of Alonzo Mourning. So thank you, Derek. Please subscribe to him. We're gonna put the link below. It's an awesome trader. Look at this. This is a lot of extras. Beautiful for our collection.
Alonzo Mourning.
Yes, and we
Look.
actually have more inserts.
Magic.
Magic Chen.
From the
Sorry for the glare.
who's that? Lakers.
Magic's back.
From the Lakers. It's nice. Oh, nice. Kobe.
That's
It's
inside.
for Lakers.
I love this insert. This is a
Short print.
party right there.
It's number.
Alonzo Mourning.
It's
Black
It's
party.
number. I think
It's a black party.
It's number.
It's number
Ooh.
Victory.
It's
Karl
for
Malone when he was
Lakers.
Lakers.
It's for Lakers.
Yes.
Karl
Eddie
Malone.
Jones, one of the favorite Lakers.
It's from Lakers. Before.
Wow.
Vladi
Expressions. Vladi Divac.
Divac.
That's when he was crying, you know, when Michael Jordan dunked on him. I'm just playing. Or when he was, you know, when they told him that, you know, he cannot flop anymore. Now just playing again. And here we go. Shaquille O'Neal. Victory.
Diesel.
Nice.
Nice. Lakers.
Kobe.
Again.
Yes.
Kobe. That's our man. Kobe.
Alonzo Mourning. Beautiful insert. And I love this one. The Power Zone by Topps.
Nice
Beautiful
card.
card. Topps again, Alonzo Mourning. Spike says, you know. So Spike says something about, you know, Alonzo Mourning. Hardwood leader is awesome.
Not nice.
And this is a beautiful card by Topps, Alonzo Mourning. Beautiful, beautiful. Just plainly beautiful. So you guys please subscribe to him.
There's
And I like these two new mini, you know, like mini cards.
mini like a small. Look at that. Look at that. A mini card like combined.
Yes, and then this Penny and that. So awesome.
Look at this.
And Fernie Hardaway.
That's a nice card.
Yeah, we collect this and Fernie Hardaway, Penny Hardaway, and Penny Hardaway.
Oh, the NBA hoops.
Beautiful,
Like
beautiful
a court sign.
move. Look at that move.
Wow. It's like a layup. Like
So everyone, please subscribe. SMB Pinoy, Jordan Hill, and let us know what you guys think. Please subscribe to him. Please, please, everyone. You know, he needs subscribers because he has awesome cards to show. You guys need to see it. And of course, we're going to be deciding this on Wednesday. So please
I can't wait.
comment
I
and
can't
subscribe to him.
wait. I cannot wait.
Good luck, everyone. And please subscribe to Derek, SMB Pinoy, Jordan Hill, fan. We love the cards. And thank you so much.
Peace.
Peace.
Bye bye.